Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Model Kit Review. In today's technique video, we are going to be taking a look at modeling a metallic finish with a spray can. I don't know how many of you out there are hesitant, as I am, to model an aircraft that has a natural metal finish. I know that there are a lot of different techniques that you can use to achieve this. The current popular technique to achieve a metallic finish has you applying a gloss black finish over the model and then applying different metallizer finishes over that with an airbrush. I personally don't like airbrushing enamels in the house. I do have a vent hood, but it still is a smelly mess. And I found that I've gotten pretty decent results using this much simpler technique that allows me to spray the aircraft outside where it's not stinking up the house. The model kit shown here is Airfix's Spitfire FR Mark 14. I have just sprayed this and it's actually still drying as I record this. The paint I use for this finish is Tester's Spray Enamel, and it is Tester's part number 1246T Metallic Silver. I am modeling a Supermarine Spitfire FR Mark 14 from number 2 AC Squadron of the Royal Air Force at RAF Buckeberg, Germany in 1950 to 1951. Achieving a good metallic finish is really all about the preparation that you do to the kit beforehand, and you want to make sure that you have sanded and polished your kit very, very nicely. You want to remove any dust, any debris, and make sure you have a very clean, very polished surface to spray the metallic finish on. On this build, I did not use any primer. I simply masked off the areas that I needed to on this kit and sprayed the finish directly out of the spray can. It's very helpful to start with very light misting of the color first, and then to slowly and methodically kind of build up your layer of paint. You don't want to apply too much too quickly. It will definitely run if you do that. And you want to hold the can at least about a foot from the model so that it doesn't overwhelm the model with paint. The finish on this kit looks great in person. It actually looks a little bit grainy in the photos, but it looks much smoother than that in real life. I know currently it looks a little bit monotone, but once this is completely dry, I will go in and weather the aircraft with pastels. I'll also use some acrylic washes. I will highlight some panel lines and then some different panels as well to break up the monotone silver finish. Once I've completed my weathering, I will seal the weathering with a gloss coat of Future Floor Polish or PFM sprayed directly from the bottle. That will provide a very good, smooth gloss coat for the decal application. Once the decals are on, I will weather them as well. I will seal the whole model with an acrylic satin clear coat. I will post a build review of this kit when I'm completely finished with it, and you can let me know what you think of my technique once you see the final product. For me, using spray enamels outdoors is the quickest, easiest, and least smelly way to apply a metallic finish to my aircraft. And for me, this technique has yielded the best results of the methods that I have tried so far. Well, I'd love to know what you guys think. If any of you out there have a preferred method of achieving a realistic metallic finish, please feel free to comment in the comment section below. As always, I hope you found this video entertaining and informative. And until next time, model on.